Hey, so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a little bit about my hair routine. I currently have been highlighting my hair, and this is what it looks like probably. I mean, this is kind of like bedhead as of this morning, but it is about, this will be the second day that I didn't wash it. But I'm gonna wash it and I'm gonna show you the difference and what I use and what techniques I use in order to brighten and make it smooth again. So let me get in the shower, do my thing, and then I will show you my technique. So as you can see right now, before I get in the shower, it's a little yucky. It's not really yucky. It's lost its shine, for one. I was out in the sun just a little bit this morning. My freckles are a little bit more popping, but yeah, so you can see, I mean, the blonde is still there. It's just not, it's a little bit more brassier and it looks really dry right now, probably because of the heat. But like I said, let me get in the shower and do my thing, and then I'll show you what I use. So the products that I use actually in the shower are Goldwell products. This is my current regimen. So I use the Goldwell. This is the blonde highlights, blondes and highlights collection. This is the anti-yellow shampoo. It is a salon brand, so you do have to either buy it at a salon. I actually got mine on Amazon. Yeah. And then I used the Blonde Highlights anti-yellow conditioner. Normally, I didn't use this conditioner today. I actually did a mask. So I wanted to show you all three products, and this is a mask treatment. There it is. Still Goldwell, still the blondes and highlights, but a mask treatment as well. It says to leave on for a minute. What I do is let me think about what I do. All right, so take two. So what I do in the shower is I put cleanser on my face, and then I put shampoo on my hair, and lather that all up, wash the cleanser off my face, and while the shampoo, which is purple, is settling into my hair, I shave my arms, my armpits. So once I do that, then I wash out all of the shampoo, put in either the mask or the conditioner. You can use both, one or the other, doesn't matter, they're both purple. And I do that, and then I shave my legs. So approximately, I don't know what, 6 minutes maybe, if that while I'm shaving my legs, and then I rinse in cold water. Yeah, rinse in cold water. And I think one of the keys too, to when you get out of the shower, I always bundle my hair up in a little towel, but don't wipe your hair because that will really dry and pull on your wet hair. Don't just wrap it up. It doesn't matter how wet it is. I kind of like go like this, squeeze out the excess, and then wrap it up in a bundle. Don't wipe it. Don't vigorously wipe it like some people do. Just wrap it up in a bun. Okay, so out of the shower. So I just showed you what products I use. Now, it feels pretty soft, and I think you can tell that the brassiness and the sandy blonde is kind of a little bit more brighter, and it still is very wet. Again, it's the beginning of summer, so, and I was out in the sun for a little bit this morning, so my hair is a little bit drying.
Now, normally if I was using a flat iron or something like that afterwards, after I blow dry my hair, I would use the Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray. In addition to this guy right here, and this is the Goldwell Dualsenses Blondes and Highlights Brilliance Serum Spray. And it comes like this. You do have to shake it up before you use it because it separates, but I love this stuff. This makes your hair so soft. All right, so just spray that all over, especially like right in the bottom right here is where it's mostly dry. Normally it's not in the crown of your head that's dry. My dryness, I think, comes from a lot of, or where the frizziness comes from is from your pillow, believe it or not. And I have not found a pillowcase that I like yet that doesn't do that to my hair. So I've heard about these silk pillowcases that are like $80 to $100. I have not tried them to see if it does anything for my hair. Maybe I should test that out. So I spray that on and then I comb it through my hair. Now, this brush is, I love this brush. It's a finger brush is what it's called, and it is by Olivia Garden, and I got it at Ulta. It is the medium one. They do have a small one which is thinner this way, and a larger one which is more like a paddle brush. But this, when you put this on your scalp, it's called a finger brush. It almost literally feels like you are massaging your scalp. I need to keep one of these actually in the shower, which for when you're combing things and combing like conditioners and that kind of thing through your hair, because it feels amazing. So that's what I use, that, and this is just a plain round brush. This actually happens to be a Sephora brush, and it is metal underneath, and I think it's ionic as well. Don't quote me on that, but I got it at Sephora. And the blow dryer that I use is a cheapy one here, and that one is also Sephora brand. That's the one that I'm using currently. And another thing that I typically do too, if I am doing my makeup right after I blow dry my hair, I normally put my serums and stuff on prior to doing blow drying my hair. One, that alleviates any more dryness in my skin. So currently what I've been using is the Kate Somerville, the Wrinkle Warrior. I love this stuff. I love it. 2 pumps. I don't put it on the bridge of my nose. I do put it pretty much everywhere else. And underneath, and if I don't have enough for underneath, I squeeze a little bit more and put that underneath. Okay, and then for my eye cream, because I am going to be doing my makeup right after this, right now, and because I just have this right here, I'm going to be using the Clarins Super Restorative Eye Cream. So let's put just a little dab of that on, and that's what I'm talking about. And I just rub it and then pat. And then for my eyelids, lately I have been using, this is a travel size, I think this is travel size, of the Urban Decay Primer, eyeshadow primer. And this is the anti-aging one, so it's got a little bit of, and this might actually almost be empty. There we go, there's some. And I put that on and blend that in. Okay, all set. Let's blow dry my hair. So what I do is I brush everything. Now you can really tell the difference. And it's not even blow dried yet of the brass that's gone. Pretty amazing. All right, so what I do is let me just do it. Okay, I'll blow dry my hair. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is pretty much all I do to it. I normally keep this side back behind my ear, just like that, and this side is kind of just like wavy like that. But this brush, I love it. It is not metal, it is plastic, so it doesn't burn your hair or anything like that either. So that is my current routine for my hair. I highly recommend the Goldwell. Thank you, Summer, for turning me on to that brand. I do love it very, very much. I've been using it probably for the past 3 or 4 months, maybe. And that's with washing my hair pretty much every other day, if not every 3rd day. On days that I don't wash my hair, I will still come over here and put some of this in, blend it through again with this brush, and just blow dry that just a little bit. And it looks just like this all over again. So it's pretty amazing stuff. I highly recommend it. Make sure that you do shake this up before you use it, and I will put some pictures in here too because I forgot to do that in the shower, and I will show you the color of the shampoo and conditioner. It is exactly the same color. So all right, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for staying with me. Let me know if you've tried this system before and what your thoughts are on it and how it works with your hair. And I will catch you on the next one. Thanks again. God bless.